it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca, and today I have YouTubers Nail Art Stamping Weekly collabs for you. So this week the theme is Cinco de Mayo and it's hosted by My Nail Designs. So I'm going to be doing I guess a really colorful nail designs, kind of what I'm thinking for Cinco de Mayo, and I got the perfect plate from my Mandy box in the last one for this design. So I haven't run one of these videos in a while, so if you are new here, I hope that you will subscribe and be sure to check out all of the latest designs as well, and also check out my Instagram at Allie's blog, and you'll also see more of the designs. So I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video, and yeah, let's get into the products that I am going to be using. So first off, my base color is going to be this painted polish, and this is here to Patty. Then I'm going to be using this stamping plate that I got from my Mandy box, and this one is Mexico Collection 09, so the perfect one for this particular design. Then I'm going to be trying out this sticky stamper from Mayo, London. I got this a little while ago also from my Mandy box. We're going to be using a bunch of different stamping polishes. So first off, I'm going to be using this painted polish, and this one is called Midnight Mischief. Then we're going to be using a few different Hit the Bottle polishes, and this one is called Lemon Meringue Fizz. Also going to use Purple Rain, a Bolt from the Blue. Then I have this Born Pretty stamping polish, and this one is called Summer Mint. Another Born Pretty stamping polish. I'm not sure what this one is called, but it is like a darker pink. And last, we're going to be using this Mayo London stamping polish, and this one is called Classic Lipstick. So here is what we are starting with. So that is 2 pit coats of Here is to Patty. So we're just going to peel off this blue film. The stamping plate there, so a lot of cool different designs on this one. I'm glad that I got this one just in time to do this collab. Alright, so I was just deciding what I wanted to actually do. So I'm going to choose this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. I kind of liked all of them, and it's a hard time actually choosing what I wanted to do. So if it changes mid video, that will be why. So we're going to try out this stamper for the first time. The card seems really good. I actually like how thick it is. So that is the Mayo London stamper, and it's actually quite sticky, kind of like a squishier but very sticky. You can see when my finger pulls off. So I am excited to try this out. So I am just going to use my lint wiper that I should have peeled the paper off first, and just to kind of make sure there's no dust or anything on there. And I haven't done anything to the stamper yet, so alright, so let's get into the stamping. finished nail design. I actually really like how this one turned out, considering it was not what I pictured, but I really like how it turned out. So as for the stamper, I actually really like it. It's really sticky, it seems to pick up images really well, so I would definitely recommend it. I'll have to link in what it's actually called and put it in the description box below. I also really like the scraper. I just found that it doesn't color or put it in a compact and sometimes scrapers go back, but not this one. So I have enjoyed using this stamper and I'm going to continue using it. So that is everything I have for today's video. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.